Searching for the best 21-speed hybrid bicycle for fitness and daily commuting can open the door to a healthier, more enjoyable lifestyle. The perfect ride brings freedom, confidence and motivation to every journey, whether heading to work or exploring new paths. In this video, discover a bicycle that helps turn everyday travel into an energizing experience while supporting your active goals. Number 1. Traxion Network 3.5 Hybrid Bike. Enjoy a smooth and efficient ride with the 18-inch alloy hybrid frame, with 28-inch wheels that fit riders 5 feet 4 inches and 6 feet 2 inches in height. Fast and accurate gear changes with the 21-speed twist shifters and rear derail. Superior stopping power with alloy linear pull brakes, and strong and lightweight alloy rims. Suspension seat post with a hybrid saddle and ergonomic grips provide a comfortable ride. Arrives 80% assembled. Tools required: Phillips head screwdriver, Allen wrench 4 to 8 mm, adjustable wrench, pair of pliers with cable cutting ability. Number 2. Traxion mountain bike for adult men women. Lightweight aluminium frame, full suspension, high performance suspension fork, effectively absorbs rough terrain and impacts, ensuring a resilient riding encounter. 24-speed shifters and front and rear derails make smooth gear changes and make climbing hills easy. Confident and precise stopping power on the trail with the front and rear mechanical disc brakes, delivering crisp and reliable performance in any weather or terrain conditions. Extra wide double-wall alloy rims combine strength and lightness, while the 2.25-inch wide knobby mountain tires are primed for rugged and uneven landscapes. Durable alloy cranks provide steady gearing and less pesky maintenance on your end. Arrive 80% assembled. Some tools required for assembly. Number 3. Traxion Volare 1300 road bike. Quick and agile riding with the aluminium fitness 17-inch frame and rigid fork, with 700c wheels. Fit riders 5 feet 4 inches to 6 feet 2 inches height. Swift and seamless gear change with the Shimano 21-speed Desfire trigger shifters and rear derail. Road bike equipped with alloy disc brakes, ensuring superior braking performance. Hybrid bike with flat style handlebar and sport riding seat, and with alloy, high-profile double-wall rims provide lightweight strength. Arrives partially assembled. Will require tools: Phillips head screwdriver, Allen wrench 4 to 8 mm, adjustable wrench, pair of pliers with cable cutting ability. Number 4. Traxion Regioneer Adult Hybrid Comfort Bike. Comfort bike with RPG steel frame and suspension fork for an upright riding position, perfect for casual neighborhood rides. Shimano 7-speed Revo shifter with Shimano derail provides effortless gear shifts. Front and rear alloy linear pull brakes deliver reliable stopping power. Alloy rims offer lightweight durability. 2.125-inch comfort tires help provide a smooth, comfortable ride. Number 5. Huffy 26/27.5 Mountain bikes for men. Lightweight aluminium frame, built with a 17-inch lightweight aluminium frame for durability and ease of maneuverability, perfect for tackling mountain trails and all-terrain adventures. 21-speed gear system, equipped with a 21-speed drivetrain for precise and smooth shifting, offering versatility for climbing hills, navigating rough trails, or cruising flat paths. Knobby all-terrain tires, features rugged knobby tires designed to grip various terrains, from rocky trails to gravel paths, ensuring stability and control on every ride. Reliable alloy linear pull brakes, includes alloy linear pull brakes for dependable stopping power, giving you confidence on steep descents and uneven surfaces. Ergonomic and convenient design, designed with comfort in mind. It includes an ergonomic saddle, comfortable grips, and a kickstand for added convenience when parking or storing.